Limison di Sangma beriu MLA Barim Jongga Rak Samgre Constituency na West Garo Hills District. Mynta ke Janmiet ulawan ban Pyniasoh ilade ber ke Seng NPP. Hakabau National President jong ke Seng NPP Konrad Kongkal Sangma. Haka jingidon lang jong kiwi kinong yalam ke parti. Kila pediang sombha yone unong mikmat Barim ke jela. Na kebau mensyua di unong yalam Barim jong ke Seng Kongres.
Most important matter.
Kene ke jingnang yai Pyniasoh jong kinong ilam ke jela sa ke parti NPP kala nang penklan susu ia kene ke parti Meghalaya.
I would like to take this opportunity to welcome our former MLA of Raksamgri constituency, Mr. Limison di Sangma, into the NPP family. He had resigned from the Congress party yesterday, and along with his numerous supporters from his area, he has joined the NPP today, and we are all very happy, and we welcome him into the NPP family. And I'm sure that with his entry into the National People's Party, the party will grow from strength to strength, not only in Raksamgri constituency, but also in the whole of Garo Hills region and the Meghalaya state as a whole. In politics, as we all say, there is no permanent friend, no permanent enemy. We are here to really see ultimately all political parties, whichever party they belong to. We always are there to see that we see the people's interest. And therefore, based on the conditions or the reasons that the Congress MLAs have put that they want to come in for the interest of the people. So therefore, when our interests align, then definitely we are also happy to work with them. Those are political differences that are there at the party level. But when it comes to the state, I'm happy if we can work unitedly.
As all of you know, we were earlier in the Congress party, but now since there is no more leaders in the Congress party, so I also have to leave Congress party and now join the NPP party.
You are right hand man of Mughal Sangma. Why you not join APP?
He also left the Congress party, so I also have to leave.
No, why did you choose NPP rather than other party?
It is up to your individual choice. In the future also I foresee that this NPP government will come in.